I cleaned out everything.
This is not gonna end well.
No, that's a good idea. I'm gonna take my watch off.
All right, now we're fine. We're okay now.
So I saw a video on the internet where one man spins two people around on his shoulders, and I said, I bet Blaine can do that because he's strong. And me and John are both very spinnable. And Blaine was like, oh, I don't think we can do this. And it was like being all like just a baby about it. Blaine, come here and do it. Come do it. Don't be a baby. Blaine, get up. Blaine's being a baby. He doesn't think he can do it.
I feel like this is a very similar scenario to the ice bucket thing.
Hold on. You gotta tell me. I, Chris Damaris, repeat after me.
I, Chris Damaris,
Promise not to sue Blaine if he breaks my bones.
promise not to sue Blaine if he breaks my bones.
Or it injures me in any way.
Or injures me in any way.
Indefinitely.
Indefinitely.
That means I could beat the shit out of him. No, not even just in this video. What do I do?
He's gonna get on your shoulders.
Maybe we should take our shoes off.
I think he should keep his shoes on.
I'm gonna tighten my shoes.
Giggle man over here.
I have no idea what's happening.
I definitely thought you were wearing socks for a second, Chris.
Okay, so
And then Chris leans back,
Uh-huh.
and I grab onto Chris's legs.
yes.
So Chris's legs go into my armpits. So then we start spinning, and the centrifugal force
Creates a vortex.
lifts me up as Chris leans back.
This sounds awful. Oh God.
This is the first hurdle.
So I go up now.
Alright, now balance. Stop doing the shaky thing.
Oh my god, his head is so close to the
Good news, he'll be leaning back. So then you have to put your legs out.
Here, you.
Oh my god.
All right.
Someone's gonna hurt themselves.
And then we're gonna
Go to the center so we have more space.
Okay, and then we're gonna spin.
Now Blaine spins us.
Yes.
Oh my god. Oh.
I got it.
That wasn't bad. It actually
That was great. It was really you did it.
That was my back. That was so frightening. I didn't like that at all.
What else can we do with you three? Have you guys ever tried that game? It's like the hop. You ever seen that?
Chris was just holding on and being dragged by you guys.
Why are you holding your ass?
Oh. Yeah!
Sorry, I didn't know we were still going. I'm sorry.
My back hurts.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon and just continue to see all of our other videos down below so that I can pay for back surgery because Chris broke my back.
Fucking gross.